Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your personal checking account to your Amazon account. So once you're signing into Amazon account, guys, you want to hover over your account and list and go down to where it says account. If you click on that, you will have a section or option here in the list that says your payment. If you click on that, it's going to take you over to the payments and it's going to take you over to the wallet section here where you can easily add your preferred method of payment. So you just want to simply click on this yellow button or this little greenish button that says add a payment method, and you want to scroll down and look for the option that says personal checking account. Just simply click add a personal checking account and you'll be able to fill in all the details here. So the name of the account, the routing number, checking account number, if that's it, you can re-enter that as well. That's basically to confirm that you have that correct as well. Driver's license or other state issued ID, you can select that, and you want to select your states, or let's say if it's a country, you can basically select that as well. So you want to go ahead and add, for example, your state, and yeah, basically click and add. Right, so once you've done add that, you'll have that option here to use that as a method of payment or with your purchases on your Amazon account.